Today on FutureTech, we're diving into an exciting lineup of 9 innovative gadgets and inventions available for purchase in 2020. These products range from practical solutions for everyday problems to cutting-edge technology, perfect for any tech enthusiast. First up is CLIU, a revolutionary face mask that provides a clear view and is perfect for the current climate where traditional face masks can feel hot and uncomfortable. CLIU not only allows for easy communication thanks to its transparent filter, it also features a self-disinfecting capability that keeps wearers safe from harmful germs, making it a must-have for anyone looking for comfort and protection. Next, we have BlazePod, a fantastic home training device designed to help you work out effectively without going to the gym. This system uses interactive pods connected to a mobile app, which guides you through various workouts while training your reflexes. It offers flexibility and convenience, ensuring you can work out whenever you want without costly gym memberships. Another innovative item is Corohook, a multi-tool device that helps you avoid touching potentially infected surfaces, greatly reducing your risk of germs and viruses. With its antimicrobial design, this compact tool can assist you in handling everyday objects like light switches, drawers, and even your own phone, offering a practical solution for personal hygiene. Moving on, let's talk about the GDU02. This impressive drone comes equipped with a built-in 4K camera and boasts impressive features like obstacle avoidance technology, ensuring you won't crash while flying. It also utilizes the GDU Mini app for smart functions and easy sharing of your captured moments. This makes the GDU02 an excellent choice for both amateur and seasoned drone enthusiasts who want high-quality aerial footage. If you're into 3D printing, you'll love Space 3D. It claims to be one of the most affordable 10-inch printers on the market, featuring high-resolution and speedy print capabilities. With a user-friendly touchscreen interface, it's designed to bring the precision of SLA printing into your home at a price that truly makes sense. Another exciting gadget we can't overlook is Chiller, a unique prototype that cools your beverages using induction technology. This compact device can easily fit into your dining setup and promises to keep your drinks refreshingly cold without the nose of traditional